was so yummy. Hi guys, this is Matthias with Agrotonomy Tower Farms, and today we're going to make a pico de gallo. And a pico de gallo, it's a typical Mexican salsa, oftentimes served with nachos, in fact, it's served with everything. You can add it with everything. Very few ingredients are required, but of course, the king, the queen of all ingredients are tomatoes. And I personally prefer to pick my tomatoes ripe right off the vine, like this, right here, where you could still pick tomatoes like this when they are not quite ripe yet, because tomatoes produce a gas called ethylene, and ethylene is what helps the tomato to ripen and even to turn red. In fact, something just to know about in commercial farming, I'm speaking about chemical commercial farming, unconscious farming. They take the tomatoes when they're not even ripe yet, and they put them in those um, gas-filled chambers filled just with ethylene gas, so that the tomatoes can turn red. But of course, they don't ripen because they need to ripen from the inside. So let's pick some tomatoes. I just always have fun doing that. Okay, we have these beautiful tomatoes. So now let's go for the cilantro. And then look at these roots. Okay, now some hot peppers. I think we have enough. Okay, pico de gallo, and that's my version of the pico de gallo. It's my version of the pico de gallo because I look at it as my coriander, my cilantro salad. People usually are going to use maybe that much cilantro for these many tomatoes. I use the whole thing. Coriander, some tomatoes, obviously. This coriander, we're going just to mince it very finely. The tomatoes, we're going just like to dice them very finely. Some red onion, some limes, and some hot peppers. You can use cayenne pepper if you prefer. I personally prefer to use chipotle in an adobe sauce. And the reason why is that I think that life is so much better with chipotle. But my wife doesn't like chipotle, so I always do two versions. Okay, so let's do it. I diced the tomatoes, minced the cilantro, the coriander, diced the red onions, cut very, very finely the hot peppers, juiced the lime, pureed my chipotle, and I have a little salt. Now, it's very, very simple. Now you can add some chipotle to spice it up, or some hot pepper, or fresh hot pepper, or some cayenne pepper powder. It's up to you. Just spice it up. The moment of truth. Haha. It's so yummy. I have to have another one. Perfect balance. Perfect balance. Pico de gallo. There you go. This video made me hot. Whew. Okay, forget it. I'm on my way.